What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're already on episode 4 of the Detail Like a Pro series, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to show you guys how to ceramic coat your rims. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that the wheels actually need a lot more work than I initially thought. Initially I thought that I was only going to clean and ceramic coat the wheels, but it turns out that they need a bit more love than that. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All the stickers is a different size. You can see that one is smaller than that one, and it doesn't even curve with the wheel. For example, on this wheel, both of them are facing outwards, meaning facing to the tire, as you can see, and on this wheel, one is facing to the tire and the other sticker, well, it's facing to the center cap. I'm not sure if the person who did it was dyslexic or why they put different size stickers on the wheel. It just doesn't make sense to me. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to do it the right way. I'm going to replace it with my own stickers. All the stickers will be the same size, of course. All of them will be facing the same way, and it's just going to look 10 times better, as they will curve with the wheel as well. It's going to be a night and day difference on the stickers alone. And then the other problems on the wheels is it's got a couple of chip marks. Nothing too bad, but I'm going to show you how to touch it up to make them look a lot better. And then we're also going to polish the wheel. I don't know if you guys saw in the previous clip, I did a test spot. I polished those two spokes, and as you can see, compared to the rest, it's night and day difference. So I'm going to polish the entire wheel as well. Once the stickers are off, I'm going to polish the wheel. And another thing that's bugging me on these wheels is the fact that there's some tape left from old wheel weights. I'm going to take that off as well. And basically when I'm done, it's going to look like a brand new set of wheels. The transformation is going to be epic. I finally got all the glue and double-sided tape off the wheels. This would take you anything from, I would say, about an hour to 3 to 4 hours. These wheels was quite bad, so I spent, I think it was about 3.5 hours now to get all the glue and stuff off. Like I mentioned, you use heat, you use your fingers, WD-40 and microfiber towel, WD-40 or Q20, whatever you guys want to call it. Use that, and you need a lot of patience to sit and take all the double-sided glue on the back side off. Old wheel weight glue, depends on how dirty your wheels are, all that type of stuff, but it is time consuming to get it perfect, but once it's done, it's sorted. So next up, I'm going to polish the wheels. I'm going to use my little 1-inch polisher, the Rupes hybrid. I'm going to use the 1-inch for the faces, and then I'm going to use a 2-inch for the barrels. Let me quickly show you. So I'll use the 1-inch for the faces everywhere, and then to get in there, I'm not going to get in there with a machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to polish that section by hand, and around the center caps I'll polish by hand, and then after that I'm going to put the 2-inch backing plate on. As you can see, this is a bit bigger, so I'm going to put the 2-inch backing plate on, and then I'm going to polish the barrels with a 2-inch, and after that we'll get to the touch-up. So sit back and enjoy. just finished up polishing the first wheel. This is the before and this is the after. You can clearly see the difference between the two. There's all four. It's a lot shinier once polished, so I'm quickly going to go ahead and polish the other three and then we'll get onto the stickers. At last I'm finally done polishing the wheels. As you guys can see, they look absolutely great at the moment. They're just scattered all over the floor, but anyways. Next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the stickers on and do the touch-up. So the way I'm going to do the touch-up is I'll just use normal metallic black spray or gloss black. So I'm going to use gloss black spray and then I'm going to spray it into the cap, and then I'll use this tiny brush that I've got, and then I'll use that brush to touch up all the chips and things and marks and stuff. It's never going to be 100% match with the color, of course, but it is going to look better than what it looks like at the moment. As you can see, it looks like that at the moment, so it's definitely going to look a lot better once I touch that up with the paint, and once that's done I'll check back with you guys, and then I'm finally ready to do the coating. So I'm going to put the stickers and do the touch-ups now. I'm going to throw you guys over on the time lapse and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning guys, welcome back to the video. So I'm picking at this right up where we left off last night. The only thing left to do is our IPA wipe, and then I'm going to ceramic coat it with gel rim. I've got the product here. So this is super easy to use. Basically I'm going to apply it to half of the face and then I'm going to wipe it off before it cures. Then I'm going to coat the other half, wipe it off before it cures, and then I'm going to flip it around and coat the barrel, and that's all you need to do to coat the wheels. So let's go ahead and get this wheel sorted out. So that is it guys, I showed you how to remove wheel weight glue, how to polish your wheels, how to ceramic coat your wheels, and this is the end result. I'll throw up a couple of clips on the screen for you. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, drop them down below. All the products that I used will be linked in the description box down below as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and reflect your passion. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as click the bell icon next to it to never miss our future videos. I'll have 2 more videos linked in the next clip for the boys to check out.